Hello guys, we are discussing chapter 13 electromagnetism and I am Vaishali Kikan. Today in this video we are going to have a discussion over the moving coil galvanometer. So what is a galvanometer? Galvanometer is a delicate device which is going to measure the magnitude as well as the direction of small electric current. Even if I have very small electric current, it is going to measure the magnitude as well as direction of it. So here we will be using a moving coil, and this is the reason it is called the moving coil galvanometer. The moving coil is wound around a light frame that is surrounding a fixed iron core. So here I will be using a light frame and which is having a iron core, right? So the iron core, why we are using the iron core? Because it is going to increase the magnitude of the magnetic field, right? We all know iron is going to increase the magnitude of the magnetic field and it is going to cause the larger force on the movable coil so that it going to deflect, right? The current rotates the coil, so whenever we are passing the current, it is going to rotate the coil and the direction depends upon the direction of the electric current. So now here we will be having a spring which is going to limit the rotation. So spring is going to give me the balancing force, right? Current is going to move the coil, spring is going to balance it, right? And we will be having an attached needle to it, right? So the attached needle is going to indicate the amount of current with the help of the calibrated scale, right? So the north pole of the coil is attracted to the south pole of the permanent magnet and it is repelled by the north pole, right? So now in the front and back of the coil, we will not be experiencing any force because the magnetic field lines are parallel over here. But if I talk about sides, it is going to experience force because of the permanent magnetic field and the coil is going to turn due to this, right? And the amount of turn depends upon the amount of current, as I already told you. So 0 is at the center. The needle can be deflected in both sides of the 0 and it measures the current in both directions. Depending upon the direction of the current, the needle is going to move away from the 0. Now what is the full scale deflection? The pointer moves completely across the scale. It is called the full scale deflection and we have to avoid this condition so as to protect our galvanometer from getting damaged. It can be used as a voltmeter. So the galvanometer connected in series with a high resistance, which is also known as a multiplier resistance. So it can be used as a voltmeter when we have a series high resistance connected to it, right? So now voltmeter is connected in parallel. Now if I talk about the ammeter, now in the ammeter, galvanometer is having a connection which is a parallel connection with the low resistance and the ammeter is connected in series. So when a high resistance and the galvanometer is connected in parallel, so it is going to limit the amount of current, right? Because here we have a high resistance, it is going to limit the amount of current. We have a parallel low resistance, a high current can pass through it and it can be used as an ammeter. So I hope you understood all of the things that I have discussed. Thank you so much.